Hello everyone, in this demo, we highlight how HexaSync syncs sales order data from Shopify to Abaha. Let's check the newest order on the Abaha system. Select the Sell module, then go to the order list. Let's sort the code to check the latest order. You see the latest order has code 550019. Okay, let's start the sales order data integration. Go to the Shopify store and make an order as a real customer. Select the product and proceed to checkout. We've successfully created a new order on Shopify. Go to the Shopify admin account to check the newest order. You can see, we've created a new order with number 1012. Click on it and check the information. Now, let's go to the HexaSync platform. On the screen, you can see various profiles that HexaSync serves for different integration demands. Choose the Shopify Microsoft Abaha profile to check the integration processes. There are all the HexaSync tasks running for synchronizing data between Shopify and Abaha. To monitor the sales order data, click on the task Sales Order. Now, let's sort the order number order. You can see that sales order number 1012 with destination ID 550024 is successfully pulled from Shopify to HexaSync. And this destination ID will be the order code on the Abaha. Go back to Abaha and refresh the website. As you can see, the order has been successfully synced from Shopify to Abaha with code 550024. Click on it and check the order information. We've shown how to sync the sales order data from Shopify to Abaha using the HexaSync platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching this video and remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Be Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes.